The Center for Advocacy in Gender Equality and Action for Development, Cagead, in collaboration with Doctors Without Borders, has organized a workshop to train men as partners in the fight against sexual and gender-based violence. The team from Doctors Without Borders drilled the participants on various procedures to follow whenever there is a case of sexual gender-based violence and the services they offer.
When we have a case of gender-based violence, Doctors Without Borders offers free medical services to the survivor.
Given that close to 99% of the violence today are perpetrated by the men, this workshop comes to empower these men to act as advocates in the fight against sexual and gender-based violence in their respective communities.
To fight against sexual and gender-based violence. This is a very important issue, especially as concerns the crisis situation we are going in and the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic. We notice that there's an increase in gender-based violence within these times, and we have been talking about GPmEDIA particularly just for women and girls, maybe as survivors. But we have had this innovation today to bring in men and boys as partners. So it's good that they also come on board to understand the implications and consequences of the acts that they commit and to see how they also as men can join in the fight.
I've noticed that Cagead has done an additional thing as compared to other institutions that have been talking about sexual gender-based violence. And the additional thing is the fact that they have decided to partner with men in order to fight gender-based violence in the communities.
It is important for us to know that nobody is left out. We are all in this together, and so together we need to put hands together to fight gender-based violence, to make our communities better.
After actively taking part in this training, these men are ready to engage and partner in the fight against sexual and gender-based violence.